Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So let's give you a quick update on Luna Classic. And yeah, so on the weekly, you are trying to hold this weekly cross here, but it really doesn't look like there's a decision coming in. We may actually lose the cross and come down one more time because of how the market sentiments are looking like. And Luna Classic has failed to hold the retest, right? It has failed to hold the retest. So yesterday we saw a break above here. You came down for the retest but actually slip inside, so you never really get to hold the support here. At least always work with the stop loss. They just trade with small risk here and there, especially when the market is just not very decisive about what it wants to do in the future. Now at the moment it does seem like this wick down here is where people may actually try to get the prices go lower. I mean, all those what do you call them, the bears, whatever it is. So if it does come down and take that wick at 8,964, I do actually see Luna Classic drop into 6,891. Let's just say that if Luna Classic does drop to 6,891, I am going to be definitely interested to get my hands on Luna Classic one more time. Now there's one support that has also been broken, and this support here, I actually draw this a few days ago, and it does look like it's getting a little bit tricky here. So you have one support, 2, 3, a break to the downside, so that's not really good, right? And it actually means that if you're going to go below and below and take this very first stop, which is 11,097, so if you come down, take 11,097, I do see Luna Classic probably just dropping all the way down to that lower technical target, and eventually even lower down to 6,891 eventually. And it also the reason why I'm saying drop is not because I have anything against Luna Classic, but it's just because Bitcoin has a CME gap on $39,000. So Bitcoin may actually drop to $39,000, and that's when we may see a drop to 9,155, and then we're going to see what happens from that point onwards. Maybe this is a very good place to dollar cost average for long term if you are here. I mean long term, even this price here is still pretty cheap. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.